Hello, and thank you for watching this instructional video on preparing your W-9 and EFT for our funding programs. We'll start with the W-9. Please ensure that you're submitting the State of Colorado substitute W-9 as indicated here on the upper left corner of the form and provided by program staff. Please use the official name of your entity here on line 1. Only fill in line 2 if for some reason your entity uses a different name than the one in line 1 for business purposes. In Section 3, select Government unless you're a different type of entity. Leave Section 4 blank unless you qualify for backup withholding exemptions or factor reporting. Most local governments do not. For the remittance address in Section 5, please use the primary mailing address for your entity and ensure that the address you use later when completing your EFT form matches this address. Fill out the city, state, and zip code here in Section 6, and then print the name and email of the person signing the form. Use your entity's employer identification number here, and then the form is ready to sign. Any person from your organization with authority to certify your entity's EIN can sign. The signature can be electronic, or the form can be printed, signed, and scanned. We only require the first page of this form when resubmitting to us in PDF form. All projects will require a W-9. In some cases, you'll need to submit an EFT form. You'll need to submit a completed EFT form to us if, number 1, you're setting up a direct deposit account with us for the first time. Number 2, you have an existing direct deposit account with us but need to change it to a new account. Or number 3, you have direct deposit set up with us but would like to remove it and start receiving paper checks. The form is not needed if you already have a direct deposit account set up with us for a different DOLA grant, or if you prefer a paper check. To use an existing EFT account on file with us, you will only need to provide the name of the bank and the last 4 digits of the existing account. For some programs, you'll be directed to simply provide instructions to staff indicating which of the above options you would like. For some programs, you'll need to fill out a form indicating which option you would like, such as this form for the Coronavirus Relief Fund program. Select the option you would like and fill out the appropriate information and submit with your other documents. If you do need to set up an EFT form, we've created this step-by-step instructional PDF to assist you. Please contact program staff if you need a copy. We will follow these step by step. Section 1 is for DOLA use and you do not need to fill it out. In Section 2, enter your official name and address exactly as it appears on the W-9. Please also include an email that will be used for automatic notifications of payment. Only one email can be accommodated here. For Section 3, please note that a voided check or bank letter must accompany this form. If the account does not have checks, please request a signed letter from your bank that identifies your entity as the owner of the account and includes this information. Next, enter the information requested from your bank, including bank name, branch address, routing number, and account number, and whether it's a checking or savings account. Leave for further credit blank. Enter your EIN here. And for this next question, only select yes if you want all future payments from all state entities to your entity to go to this account, including grant payments, severance tax distribution, CTF funds, etc. For most entities, they will want to select no, as their payments for different projects will need to go into segregated accounts. You'll have to also say why. For example, use this account for payments on EIAF 123 only, or separate accounts are used for separate activities. For Section 5, most of the time you'll just need to select Setup. Occasionally during a project, you'll need to change a bank account, for example, if you switch banks. Then you'd use the rest of this section to let us know which account to replace. Next, add the name and title of the person signing, which can be anyone authorized to make financial decisions for your entity. Once it's signed and dated, remit to program staff with a voided check or bank letter, along with the W-9 and the option form if requested. Thank you for watching this instructional video.